whispers grow. Mavericks stand against the foe. In Boston streets and valleys wide, they light the flame that won't subside. Tea was tossed into the sea, a brewing cry for liberty. The drumbeats sound, the banners fly, the rebels shout a battle cry. SchoolBus.Rocks, the anthem's clear, global elites network far and near. With courage high and spirits free, they fought to shape our destiny. Hall of Hero through the night, to warn the town's a looming plight. In fields of green, they took a stand for liberty across the land. Redcoats marched with orders strict, but Mavericks had a clever trick. With guerrilla tactics, swift and sly, they caught the crown king by surprise. SchoolBus.Rocks, the anthem's clear, global elites network far and near. With courage high and spirits free, they fought to shape our destiny. In winter's chill at Valley Forge, they kindle hope their will engorged. Through snow and ice, they held the line, their faith unbroken, spirits shine. The final bell at Yorktown rang, a new nation's song was sang. With leadership that won the day, these Mavericks paved the freedom way. They penned the words, we hold these truths, a declaration for the youths. With quills in hand, they did compose a timeless script that ever grows. Ben Franklin flew his kite so high to catch the lightning from the sky. With wisdom quite profound, he shocked the world without a sound. Their adventure writes the pages, echoed through the endless ages. Hard work, courage, team delight, guiding us toward the light. SchoolBus.Rocks, the anthem's clear, global elites network far and near. With courage high and spirits free, they fought to shape our destiny. From their journey, lessons gleaned, to dream the dreams they've always dreamed. Together we can take a stance and push the world to advance.